This is a brand new Chanel Deauville bag, 30 cm. It is a navy color and it's 2019 with gold hardware. It's really gorgeous. Here's the 19C tag and then my authenticity card. And it's a coated like canvas tweed with navy leather handles. Comes with an extra large dust bag in the box, and the Chanel tissue, and a care booklet. It's great for everyday use. It has the dog clip. If you want to attach a pouch, a back zipper to hide any valuables with the CC hardware. And then it's really hard to see here, but there are also two pockets to place your cell phone or whatever, some makeup. And it is a button closure, snap closure. Thank you for looking.